Hello everybody, hello to greetings from Lanzarote Island. This place I want to play some song for you. I feel like in some long time, ancient time, when the earth was very young. Look, the sand is black, stones are black, everything is black. Volcanoes, there are volcanoes, many. Even this island is volcano. Uh, Another video I'll tell how to travel here, tips and tricks and nature, amazing nature and animals. Look, there is a crab. Wow. Amazing.